Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Milk markets can be tricky, but we can solve this price floor question in just a few seconds. Let's break down the supply and demand shifts together. A binding price floor is set above the equilibrium price, which creates a surplus of milk. When we remove it, the price naturally falls back down toward the market equilibrium. As the price drops, consumers are now willing and able to buy more milk. This means the quantity demanded increases because the product is finally cheaper for everyone to buy. At the same time, producers will reduce their output because the lower price is less profitable. Therefore, quantity supply decreases, making option E the only correct choice for us. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush to judgment on signs.